So, this might not be my first time going shopping inside of a store. It's crazy. I'm just kidding. You are going on a food trip with me. Because I want to try stuff. How are you doing today? Guys, I don't think we have what I'm looking for, so I won't be able to try it, sadly. It's actually really weird because, like, I'm inside a store and I'm talking to y'all, and it's my first time actually, like, talking to y'all inside of a store, so it's kind of weird. But, you know, y'all are here for me, whomever watches this. Next. How you doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing alright. Just trying to look for stuff that I cannot find, apparently. Guys, I can't find anything. Ooh. There's a SpongeBob chocolate bar I saw and wanted to try too. Where? Guys, I can't find anything. Like, okay, so I made it back home and I couldn't find what I was looking for. I really couldn't. So I might have to run to Target tomorrow because I just went to Dollar General to see if I can find my stuff. So I just got some trail mix, and to be honest, I had trail mix like once, and it was alright. I thought I was gonna like it, but I'm gonna try these, and I'm not sure if it's the same ones or not because this was like a few years ago. So we're gonna try them. It's alright. Not gonna lie, I guess I'm just not a trail mix person at all. But there's just one trail mix. That's all. I actually do want to really try though. It's a peanut butter. No, not peanut butter. Excuse me. It's a Reese's peanut butter cup. Reese's. Not Reese's. Trail mix. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. My mind just got really blank. But yeah, so it's a Reese's peanut butter trail mix. So it contains like Reese's peanut butter cups along with Reese's Pieces. What else? Peanut butter chips along with, I think, chocolate chips and peanuts. So I really want to try those because that sounds really good. I can't really tell if that's like healthy or not. I feel like it goes 50-50 along with that. But I guess peanut butter is pretty healthy too, along with peanuts. So with that little bit of chocolate, you know what? Actually, now I'm thinking about it, it's mostly healthy because it's just mostly peanuts. Guys, check out my cookbook. It's a Walking Dead cookbook. Got this yesterday and I'm so happy. I actually looked at it today, and there's some pretty cool or interesting stuff. And it literally has a recipe of some of the meals that they mention in The Walking Dead, like the recipes. So I'm kind of curious to try those. Anyway, so going to try this SpongeBob bar. What is that? Oh, cool. It shows what the bar will look like, and it has like the image. Oh, that's so cool. I can't wait to see it. Oh, that is so cool. Check that out. That is awesome. Oh man, I kind of don't want to eat it now. But I just opened it, so I'm going to have to. But I had to show my brother. He would like that a lot. Check out that chocolate bar.
SpongeBob chocolate bar.
But look at the image of it, though. Your room's a mess.
How can you even make that?
I'm pretty sure they'll find a way.
Stamp.
They had princesses as well.
Oh yeah, printed, what?
Princesses.
Princess. Oh well.
And Mom says to come eat.
Okay.
Let's try a bite of this. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That was really good. Like it maybe I think it's part of like the crunch, like you know the crunch candy bars. It was like that, but I don't know. It had a. I don't know. I kind of like this a little bit better. It had a better taste to it, but at the same time, I haven't had a crunch in like a long time, so I couldn't really compare it. I think the next time I should try a piece of that and have a crunch bar and try both of them to compare. But it was pretty good though. And guess what I found though? I found SpongeBob gummies. I did not know they made these. You know they have like the Scooby-Doo gummies. I did not know they made SpongeBob. I had no idea they made SpongeBob, and I was really happy when I saw these. Between the SpongeBob, and I haven't had these in a long time until last night, and they were delicious. Scooby snacks. You gotta love these. If you don't, something's definitely wrong with you. I'm just kidding. It's not even the 4th of July yet, and people are already shooting out fireworks. It's literally the 31st of June. You literally have 4 days. So Ro has a little map. Not a map. What's it called? A maze. It has like a little maze. $5 for each one, but I realized it was all the way. Wait, I did that wrong. It went like start all the way to finish all the way. So like all this is one. You find all 10 Scooby snacks? 10. Found them. Found all 10. Found it, all 10 of them. Alright, now the maze. Reggie. That was horrible. Am I went the wrong way in this? Nope, that's also the wrong way. There we go. Usually I'm pretty good at these things, but I did it still. I completed both of these games, so I guess that deserves 2 Scooby snacks, right? Maybe. You want a Scooby snack too, Jenna? No? Okay. Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10. If you have not even had these before, you're probably living under a rock. You need to try them. These are so good. It can go along with Scott's up here. Like, check this out. Isn't that awesome? It's part of The Witch's Ghost, one of my favorite movies. I wonder what's for dinner. Okay, so I am in Target and trying to find the stuff that I was trying to find yesterday. Let's see here. Can we find it? I'm not seeing them. No. Oh, here they are. Haha. Okay. So there's those. Oh, they're in back. Found them. Dots in them. Okay, and let's see. Try the Mr. Beast chocolate, like the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Feastables. Okay, like seriously, where's the trail mix? And we can edit it out. Stop. This is on video, you know that, right?
Edit it out.
Oh. Come here.
I said edit it out.
Edit it out.
Okay, stop.
Well, let go of me.
Hey, I don't trust you.
You're the one that's doing stuff to me. Wow. That's one of the video. Just saying.
No.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I was getting a hair off of you, Grayson.
Okay, I don't trust you.
Why don't you trust me? I'm not doing anything.
You always do stuff like that.
Cough. Anyway. You ready?
Meh.
Okay.
Meh. I said meh.
My brother and I are going to be trying this stuff today, and you're going to see our reactions. What we're going to try. First things first, would you stop peeking?
Cheetos?
No. Stop peeking, though.
Are there Cheetos in the bag?
It's called the Dots.
What is that?
And this is cinnamon sugar pretzel twists. So we're going to try these. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even count down. Just gonna try.
Ow.
Wow, these are hard. These are so good though.
I know. Ah.
These are really good. Oh my gosh. Mm. Wow. Alright, next we're going to try this Chex Mix. It has peanuts, M&Ms, milk chocolate, candies, raisins, milk chocolate chips,
No raisins
and
for me.
peanut butter chips.
Peanut butter chips. Peanut butter chips.
Peanut butter chips.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Gosh, why can't I get this thing open? There we go.
Go.
Do you like my opening skills? They're the best.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. Where's the peanuts at? Okay, here we go. Okay, look, we're gonna
Pizza
grab.
roll. Why did I say pizza rolls?
Wow. I want to get you a couple of M&Ms as well.
No raisin for me.
There's one little bitty raisin you won't be able to taste it. How about that?
Sure.
No, trust me, you won't taste it.
I'll eat that first.
Okay, you do that. I was just saying put it all in at the same time.
That's a weird taste because the chicken.
Oh, put it all in your mouth at the same time. Like this. Alright, but yeah, I like this trail mix better than the ones I tried yesterday.
Yesterday.
It was.
I didn't have any.
I'll let you try them. But this is my preferability. I mean, everyone has different tastes and stuff. Grayson.
Yeah.
Since we're already in a peanut butter mood, we're gonna try these.
I was talking about those in the car.
Feastable, yeah. I saw them and I was like, wait a minute. So we're gonna try these. Here.
Jam and Curly, big YouTuber, he said these are great and better than Hershey's.
Yeah, so did Gordon Ramsay.
Oh
So.
yeah, he talked about him.
Alright, you ready?
And he also said real peanut butter. Tastes like real peanut butter. Yeah, that is real peanut butter. Oh my gosh.
And they're not hard at all. These are actually really good. Alright. Now for the final product. We tasted this brand before, but we never tried this before. JoyRide Ropes.
I heard of those, but
We tried the JoyRide, like the strips,
Yeah.
and we tasted the JoyRide, like the little Sour Patch Kid things.
I haven't tried those.
You haven't tried those?
No. You didn't give me those.
I thought I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I give you.
No.
But I give you one at that point, but
No. You never did.
I think it does. Either way, it doesn't matter.
Never tried it before.
It doesn't matter.
Why did you?
Alright, you ready? Hold on.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, the.
Oh, don't smell.
No. Sorry, I was about to sneeze. Alright, you ready?
Okay. I didn't take a big bite at all. That is good.
These are really good.
These are my favorite JoyRide. Damn. It gets better as you eat it.
That's really good.
Yeah, honestly, it's close to eating that. It might actually be there.
I don't know. These Feastable are really good, but I think
think that comes in first.
yeah these are coming in first.
And it's cherry. I love cherry.
Yeah. Second for me. Third the Feastable Star and the fourth.
I'm gonna write down.
Alright.
Number 1, JoyRide. Of course. Number 2, Feastables.
Okay.
And then the dots. And fourth.
Yeah. These are really good though.
Yeah, they're good.
I would eat these than the other ones I had.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I can eat a lot of those, but that I don't know if I can eat like a lot.
Yeah. There you go. I think it depends on my mood because some days I'm in a chocolatey mood and some days I'm in a like a
Usually I crave
fruity.
chocolate.
Yeah, like
I like fruity. It's great.
fruity.
Fruity. Like Beetlejuice. Fruity.
Why'd you say his name 3 times? You're not supposed to do that, Mason. Don't hit me with it.
Comes in first. Great.
I like how I got all like a bread or a peanut kind of in chocolate. And then there's the one all out fruit snack that I got. But it goes with my Gatorade.
Gatorade. I think there's a little too much peanut butter in there though. A little too much. Maybe if
I mean, it's filled up with peanut butter, so I think you're just more used to eating the Reese's. But just like, it's just like,
not real peanut butter, but it's mixed in with stuff.
I mean, I'm pretty sure like they use real peanut butter, but I'm not sure exactly what it contains. We'll have to look it up and we'll have to watch something later. But yeah, these are really good.
Oh my, come on.
I'm hungry. Give me here to eat.
I'm really thinking you.
Those are really good.
I know, right? What do you think?
I like how it's more peanut butter. It's like the soft peanut butter.
It's salty.
I feel like I should just get you a bag of these now.
Oh, it's good.
They have different flavors, but I wanted to try the cinnamon ones. Those, like,
I've had, oh. Favorite flavor is like this, that. You eat that, take a bite of that, and eat one of these. It's really good.
ooh. I was thinking about mixing everything together, but I was like, nah.
I was like, something about, I used to buy that, ate that, and I was like, wait a minute.
Blend them. Smoothie.
Oh, not together, but okay.
Oh, that's why I meant.
Because I take a bite, chew it, and then eat one of those. Together too.
Doing the Feastables and the
My God.
cinnamon dot pretzel sticks. If you combine those together, those are really good too.
This is bigger than the phone right now. No. Oh, I didn't break
You also let it go.
it. No.
So that was our reaction to like the snacks. So if you want to see more, just let us know. Like the video, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for more content. I'll see y'all later. Wow. Great, Dan. Really?
I forgot what that.
Do it if you want to try one. Thank you for that.
I'm sorry.
It's pretty big.
Oh my gosh.
If you break my phone, you owe me a new one.